Hi guys, it's me, and today we're checking out a piece of audio gear that's all about elevating your listening experience without complicating your setup. This is the Bose Bass Module 700, a wireless subwoofer that focuses on delivering deep, precise bass in a compact and premium design. Starting with the look, this subwoofer clearly breaks away from the usual bulky boxes you expect. It's designed to be seen, not hidden. The smooth glass top, curved edges, and minimal footprint give it a very modern feel. It fits naturally into a clean setup, whether it's placed beside a TV stand or along a wall. It's one of those products that blends design and function really well. Moving to performance, this is where it really makes an impact. The bass is strong, but more importantly, it's controlled and refined. Instead of overwhelming the room with noise, it focuses on delivering accurate low-end frequencies. That means you feel the depth in movies and music without losing clarity in the rest of the sound. Pairing it with a compatible Bose soundbar takes things to a different level. Dialogue stays clear, highs remain crisp, and the bass fills in the lower range perfectly. Watching movies becomes more immersive with deeper rumbles during action scenes, while music sounds richer and more dynamic across different genres. One of the biggest advantages here is the wireless connection. Setup is quick and simple, with no need to deal with extra cables. It connects seamlessly and keeps your space clean and organized. This is especially useful if you're going for a minimal home entertainment setup. Another thing that stands out is how well it balances power and precision. It's capable of delivering strong bass when needed, but it doesn't distort or get muddy. Even at higher volumes, the output remains clean. That level of consistency is what you expect from a premium audio brand. Build quality also deserves attention. Everything about it feels solid and well-crafted. From the materials to the finish, it reflects durability and a high-end feel. It's not just built to perform, but also to last over time. When it comes to placement, the compact size gives you flexibility. You can position it in different parts of the room to find the best sound response. Whether it's near your main setup or slightly off to the side, it adapts well and continues to deliver strong performance. This isn't a budget-friendly option, and that's important to mention. It sits in the higher price range, but it's designed for users who value quality, clean design, and reliable performance. It's not just about loud bass, it's about the right kind of bass that enhances everything you listen to. For anyone already using a Bose soundbar, this feels like a natural upgrade. It completes the system and adds that missing depth. And if you're building a home theater setup, it brings that cinematic feel that makes content more engaging. Overall, the Bose Bass Module 700 is about delivering a premium bass experience in a compact and stylish form. It focuses on clarity, depth, and ease of use, making it a strong addition to any modern audio setup. If you want to buy this Bose Bass Module 700, then please visit the link provided in the description.